Hi everyone, I Rotractor Prithviraj Gosrani, your host, welcomes you to the 6th episode of Coffee Rotractor of the Month. And this month we also have a Board of Director of the Month. So, calling the Rotractor of the Month, she is someone who loves bike rides and is also the co-chairperson of Coffee Rotractor of the Month itself, Rotractor Hetvi Gada.
Hi, I'm Rotractor Hetvi Gada. I study in SY Biomedical Sciences from NMIMS Mumbai. I love traveling and eating food is something that I do all the time.
And for the Board of Director of the Month, she is someone who's very punctual and wakes up quite early in the morning just for a morning walk and yoga. Yeah, I know it's tough for a lot of us. Welcoming Rotractor Khushi Vich.
Hi, I am Rotractor Khushi Vich and I am the Partners in Service Director, and I am right now in 12th standard and I am studying arts at SIS College, and I love to play badminton and do yoga, and I am working towards a better and confident me.
Hi guys.
Hi.
So Hetvi, let's start with you. You are the co-chairperson of Coffee Rotractor of the Month, this very project. So how does it feel being on the other side of the camera?
Okay, so a Coffee with Rotractor of the Month, it happens every month. So the excitement and what goes behind the camera is something that I was missing out on this month. I wasn't in the group and I didn't know what was going on. But back of the mind, I was very excited कि क्या करेंगे ये लोग कैसे होगा. But at the same time, having to sit behind the camera was something that scared me, because in front of the camera I've never spoken, and being behind the camera it used to be all fun. So this was the main difference.
Different and a little nervous process.
Yes,
Okay.
I am still nervous.
Okay. That's nice. So Khushi, you are the Partners in Service Director, as you told in the introduction. So, while applying for the same post, you might have had a thought, right? कि ऐसा करना है, वैसा करना है. And afterwards, after being the same, like getting the same post, did the thought change? कुछ नया मालूम पड़ा, कुछ नया सीखने मिला?
So before joining Partners and Service, what I had in mind was that I wanted to gain more knowledge about this avenue and to have better relations with Rotary and Interact. But as in when I have been in this journey, it's been great because I have gained a lot more knowledge about Rotary and Interact, and I have learned a major thing, that is communication, which before was very difficult for me because I was not so good at it, and I didn't have that much confidence also, which I have gained in this process. So that's one more thing that I have learned in this journey.
That's very nice.
ये क्या कर रहा है?
अरे हाँ, sorry. So yeah, welcome to the best segment, the game segment. कोई guesses? ये सब देख के game क्या होगा?
सुई धागा सिलना है कपड़े.
नहीं, थोड़ा easy है. So you guys have a dice where you simultaneously will be rolling it, and the one who gets 6 will start with the task. The tasks are, first you have to put this thread in the middle. After that, you have to write the numbers from 1 to 50 but in reverse order. And सबसे last में, the non-working hand, which is if you're righty or left hand, if you're lefty or right hand, you can use only one hand to put on the buttons of the shirt. Alright? So let's see who wins. So let's begin. Who will go first?
I'll go.
Okay, start. Okay, that's 6 in the first go. Wow. Oh, one more 6. Let's see. Okay, you can go to the second stage. If we had the lead, See, it's almost all the buttons.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, wow. That's amazing. Unfortunately, we lost. You can still try.
2,000 years later.
So apparently Hedvi decided not to complete the challenge, but it's okay because Kushi won the challenge, and congratulations Kushi.
Thank you.
तो मजा आया गेम में?
Yes.
Okay, so this is one of my favorite questions. How did you feel after being the Rotractors of the Month? Like यहाँ पे आने के बाद, after the shoot, after getting all the JPEGs and everything in your name, Rotractor of the Month, Board of Director of the Month, कैसा लगा?
मजा
It
आया.
was great. It was a great experience.
Okay, so when Road Tractor of the Month was introduced, I was overwhelmed, and it was a great achievement. So you get a JPEG and a post for you dedicated to the Road Tractor of the Month and BOD of the Month. So that was something that did inspire me to work even harder this month and attend the projects, and the feeling of Road Track did come in me.
So let's hope you guys are on the screen this time again.
Yes.
Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed today
Yes.
and keep working hard. तो चलते हैं अब. Let's take a leave. Bye bye.
Bye.
बहकी सभी जुबां हैं हम हैं हजारों.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, please
Like, share, comment.
and subscribe. Till then, bye.
तुम रह सकी तो रबा है.
Hi guys, I'll try to make that
समा है. तुम रह सके
go.
ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी. ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है.
Hi guys, I will try to make that your host for today welcomes you to the 6th episode of Coffee Rotractor of the Month. And yeah, but this time we also have. Okay, it was a fantastic game, but at the same time, I love this question. How do you feel being the Rotractor of the Month and being here? मजा आया?
हाँ.
इतना तो बोला इसने.